Welcome to the channel where classic wisdom is transformed into contemporary success tales by the fusion of history and modernity. We now reveal the Solomon Strategy, a manual that uses historical knowledge to achieve modern-day financial mastery. Stay tuned if the idea of incorporating King Solomon's wisdom into contemporary finance excites you. This video is your ticket to being one of those people who not only want riches, but also manage to get it by following wise counsel. Diversification is the cornerstone of wealth. Invest in 7 ventures, yes, in 8. You do not know what disaster may come upon the land. King Solomon is credited with saying, diversification is the cornerstone of contemporary investment strategy. This is where the Solomon Strategy comes in, recommending that you diversify your holdings in order to reduce risk. The first step to building a portfolio like Solomon's is diversity, regardless of the assets you invest in: stocks, bonds, real estate, or cryptocurrency. The value of wisdom and counsel. Plans fail when they lack counsel, but they succeed when they have many advisors. Solomon's approach places equal emphasis on the act of investing and the value of getting professional guidance. This translates to completing your homework, talking to financial consultants, and never giving up on your pursuit of knowledge in the modern world. The astute investor never stops learning and developing. The power of patience. In investment, the adage, for every matter, there is a time and judgment, teaches us the value of patience. The contemporary market is erratic, but it also pays off for those who, like Solomon, recognize the importance of patience. Long-term investments often yield superior returns because they ride out downswings and take advantage of upswings. Avoid the need for instant gratification. Patience is the key to wisdom. Generosity and wealth distribution was just as important to Solomon's wealth as accumulation. He who lends to the Lord lends generously to the poor. Modern financiers are encouraged by the Solomon Strategy to look beyond the numbers and make investments in sustainable practices, charity, and social issues. Real wealth is derived from contributions to society. Guarding against overindulgence. There is no end to the making of many books, and the body becomes weary from much study. Solomon cautions against the perils of overindulgence and the paralysis of analysis in today's words. Moderation is essential, whether one is too leveraging in the hopes of making gains or becoming fixated on market patterns. Maintain balance, live simply, and make prudent investments. Applying the Solomon Strategy today. So how do we use these antiquated ideas in the modern financial environment? Start with a well-diversified portfolio based on thoughtful guidance and research. Accept that money is frequently built gradually rather than quickly, and learn to be patient. And never forget that you should invest with both a commitment to the greater good and a desire for personal gain. Has this understanding of the Solomon Strategy inspired any new ideas for your financial path? Please like, share, and subscribe for more timeless knowledge transformed into helpful guidance. Please share your ideas and queries in the space provided below. Together, we can cultivate a community of astute investors. We'll go into more detail on using these antiquated techniques to particular investing opportunities in the current market in our upcoming video. Till then, never forget that the knowledge of the past serves as a lighthouse to lead us and show us the way to success in the contemporary era.